Ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna learn some Irish letters and words. I'm Airi. I got a secret box. Is everybody ready to guess what's inside this secret box? There's a lot of items along the word.
Airi,
Yeah?
I have a lot of things inside my special box today.
Can I shake it?
Ta-da!
I want to shake it.
Okay, shake it.
It's kind of heavy.
This. Guess what's inside the box?
I couldn't guess. There's so much things I couldn't know which one is which.
Yeah, okay, I'll give you a clue.
Okay, cool.
Ready?
I'm gonna peek.
No peeking. Okay. Something that starts with the sound and we use it when we feel hot. What could it be? What letter makes the sound
F.
F makes the sound and we use it when we feel hot outside.
Oh, fan!
A fan, silly! A fan! A nice
Okay,
fan.
Can I use it?
Yeah? Oh,
Nice.
nice. It is something that starts
with the letter
with...
B.
Nope. It starts with the letter R. And we use it when we watch TV.
TV.
What is it?
No.
Remote control!
Can I have it?
That's right. And pause. And play. And pause.
What letter starts with a t? It starts with the letter T. And we pour some tea. It's a teapot. Teapot. Everybody say teapot louder. Teapot.
The next one starts with the letter C. And it makes the sound k, k, k. That can move very fast. It can take you from one place to the other. Car!
And look at this.
Ooh! Are in
Letter,
there.
games, and number.
What's the next item, Irie?
It starts with my letter.
Your letter?
Yeah.
Is it Irie? Are you inside the box?
No, I mean it starts with the same letter as my name, A. And somebody sits on it and it flies to another country. It's a airplane. Starts with the same letter as my name, Irie. You want to see it fly?
하얀 증다알 ABC고 보라이나. Let's learn ABC today. Capital A. This is also called uppercase A. 이건 capital A 의 mga the letters of the alphabet. 촌급바 A or small a, also called lowercase a. 달급바 A 달급바 아로 A 촌급바. A for alligator. A for alligator. Baby alligator. Mommy alligator. There are 26 letters of the alphabet and they all have a certain sound, a phonic sound. English alphabet도 이한테 옳고란 sound 동화 가matna 동화. A is for alligator. Alligator. B is for bear. Bear. C is for cake. Cake. D is for duck. Duck. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for goat. Goat. H is for house. House. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for juggler. Juggler. K is for koala. Koala. L is for lion. Lion. M is for mouse. Mouse. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orangutan. Orangutan. P is for pirate. Pirate. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for robot. Robot. S is for squirrel. Squirrel. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for wizard. Wizard. X is for the end of the word, fox. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
We're here at another country. We're at Japan now. Everybody ready to fly to Tura. We are Tura. You want me to fly to Delhi? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. We are Delhi. You want me to fly to Reno?
New York?
Yeah.
Who's in New York?
Oh, the statue. Here. You wanted me to fly to London?
Who's in London?
So London has a really special bridge there.
The last one starts with the letter B.
Book.
B.
It's a book. It's a book. I knew it was a book. It was a book. It was a
Hey.
book. I knew
It is a book. How did you know that?
Because I remembered that starts with book and I put it in the box and this was a book. Cool, huh? Yeah.
Good job, Airi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.